Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll teach you how to get a free VPN. Now first you have to go into Google here and search for Opera. This is a web browser that has a VPN included. So we simply go in here and press download now. Then we have to download the Opera setup. I'm going to download it, accept. I'll show you once it's downloaded. As you can see now we have a perfectly normal browser. And now we have to activate the VPN. So what you have to do is you have to go down into settings, go to functions. As you can see here it says activate VPN. Then you simply press on and it's going to be activated. As you can see now it's already on. And a quick way to turn it on or off is up here right next to the search bar. You can simply press off and on. And you can also choose where in the world you want to be. So let's say you want to watch something from Asia but you're in the US. You simply press Asia, or Europe, and the other way around. And it's really that simple. Now you have downloaded a VPN completely for free and you can use this browser just like you would Google Chrome or any other browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.